So this is your constant velocity test. Make sure the first thing that you do is you make a copy of the entire slideshow. I think there's 7 slides. Then the next thing you do is you need to share this and share it with me, and then make sure that I can comment on it so that I can let you know what you did or if there were any errors. Okay? Now, one thing that you need to do is you'll need to do some circling for me. You're going to circle some graphs and you're going to just follow the directions. And I have the graphs right here, so you will be looking at those. And to circle them, what you need to do is click on Insert, go to Line, go down to Scribble, and when you get Scribble, you should be able to draw a circle around the graph with your mouse. And then I want you to weight that line to at least a 4 point, so it's a little bit thicker, and I'd also like you to color that line so that I can see it very visible. I did red. Okay, so it looks like this. Now, I am going to click on that and delete it because I don't want that on there for you. Okay, the other thing you need to do is you need to sketch a graph for me, or 2 graphs. Same thing here. I want you to put in, you're just sketching, so you do not need to put like numbers on here. We don't need to worry about that, but you need to sketch these relative to each other. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to go to Insert, choose a line again, I would choose arrow. That makes it nice. And then you can just, whatever you need to do. If this is what you need to do, put it on like this. And then do the same thing. Weight the line at least 4 point, and then color code it again, some color. Now, up here, you're going to need to tell me what color is for what object. Okay, so you need to leave me some kind of key to tell me what object is what color. So you should have, and then whatever color you put for that object on the position time graph, make sure you use that same color on the velocity versus time graph. So you need to indicate up here to me what color is for what object. And then the last slide, you're going to have to insert a photo. You can insert a photo with your work by just going to Insert again, and you can go to Image.